All right, welcome back. Next on the docket, we have a Troy Bilt 2410. It's in great shape. I got it for, what did I pay for it? I think 150. Should sell for 475 all day once it's snowing here in Chicago. It runs well. I went through, I cleaned out the tank, cleaned out the carb. It starts right up, but it's surging real bad. So what I'm going to show you today is how to take care of that surging issue. First, we're going to take off the shroud here, get to the carburetor. We shouldn't have to take the carburetor all the way out. What I'll probably do is take the bowl off again, underneath, make sure that the bowl itself is clean. And then I'm going to go ahead and rethread the low carb jet with that 13/1000 little screw drill bit. I'll show you that shortly. Be right back.